Think managing diabetes means giving up flavor? Think again. Your meals don't have to be boring, and you certainly don't need to feel limited. Today, I'll show you how to enjoy 5 classic dishes that are not only delicious but also perfect for keeping your blood sugar steady. These meals are designed to satisfy cravings, bring joy to your plate, and keep you energized. Whether it's breakfast, lunch, or dinner, these dishes will prove that healthy eating can be exciting and stress-free. Ready to elevate your meals? Let's jump right into it. But before we start, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on more diabetes-friendly recipes and tips to transform your health. Number 1. Turkey burger with sweet potato wedges. Craving a burger but worried about carbs? Say hello to the turkey burger with sweet potato wedges, a meal that's not just satisfying but perfectly diabetes-friendly. Start with a lean ground turkey patty seasoned with garlic powder, paprika, onion powder, and a touch of black pepper. Turkey is a low-fat protein that helps stabilize blood sugar and keeps you full longer. Instead of a traditional bun, wrap your burger in crispy lettuce leaves for a refreshing crunch and carb-free option. Top the patty with creamy avocado slices, which are packed with heart-healthy fats that improve insulin sensitivity. Add a dollop of Dijon mustard or sugar-free ketchup for a burst of flavor. If you're feeling adventurous, throw in a slice of tomato and a red onion ring for an extra layer of freshness and crunch. Now let's talk sides. Sweet potato wedges are a healthier alternative to regular fries. Packed with fiber and vitamin A, sweet potatoes have a lower glycemic index, meaning they won't cause a rapid blood sugar spike. To prepare, slice the sweet potatoes into wedges, toss them with olive oil, smoked paprika, garlic powder, and a pinch of salt, and bake them in the oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit until golden and crispy. This method avoids deep frying, keeping the dish light yet flavorful. Want to elevate it further? Sprinkle them with a touch of cinnamon for a sweet and savory twist. For a complete meal, pair your burger and wedges with a side of greens. Baby spinach or arugula dressed with olive oil and lemon juice adds fiber and antioxidants to round out your plate. This turkey burger with sweet potato wedges is perfect for any occasion, whether it's a quick lunch, a casual dinner, or a guilt-free BBQ indulgence. It's the ultimate proof that you can enjoy comfort food while staying on track with your health goals. Number 2. Grilled BBQ chicken with greens. Grilled BBQ chicken with greens is a perfect balance of flavor and nutrition, especially for those managing diabetes. This dish starts with a juicy chicken breast marinated in a sugar-free spice rub. Combine smoked paprika, garlic powder, cumin, and a touch of cayenne pepper for a smoky, slightly spicy flavor profile. Let the chicken soak in the spices for at least 30 minutes to ensure the flavors are absorbed fully. Grill the chicken until it's golden on the outside and perfectly juicy on the inside. The grilling process enhances the natural flavor of the chicken without adding unnecessary fats or sugars. Now, let's talk about the greens. Collard greens are the star here, a staple of Southern cuisine and a nutritional powerhouse. They're low in carbs and high in fiber, which helps slow the absorption of glucose. To prepare, chop the collard greens and sauté them in olive oil with minced garlic and a splash of apple cider vinegar. The vinegar not only enhances the flavor but also has properties that may help with blood sugar control. Add a pinch of red pepper flakes for a subtle kick and let them cook until tender but still vibrant. For an extra touch, consider adding caramelized onions or sautéed mushrooms to the greens for additional depth of flavor. If you prefer a bit of crunch, top the dish with toasted almonds or sunflower seeds. They add texture and bring healthy fats into the mix. Pair this meal with a side of steamed cauliflower rice or a small serving of mashed sweet potatoes to round out the plate. Whether you're cooking for yourself or hosting a dinner, grilled BBQ chicken with greens is a crowd pleaser. It's hearty, flavorful, and proof that eating healthy doesn't mean sacrificing taste. Number 3. Loaded cauliflower bites. Think loaded potato skins, but healthier. Loaded cauliflower bites are a delicious, diabetes-friendly twist on a classic comfort food. Start by cutting a head of cauliflower into bite-sized florets. Toss them with olive oil, garlic powder, smoked paprika, and a pinch of salt and roast in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 to 30 minutes, or until golden and tender. Roasting brings out the natural sweetness of cauliflower and adds a satisfying texture. Once roasted, it's time to load them up. Sprinkle shredded cheddar cheese over the warm cauliflower bites and let it melt. For added protein, use crumbled turkey bacon instead of regular bacon to keep the dish lean and heart-healthy. Top with a dollop of Greek yogurt. It's a tangy, low-fat alternative to sour cream, And finish with chopped green onions for a burst of fresh flavor. You can even add a sprinkle of red pepper flakes for a bit of heat if you like it spicy. To elevate this dish further, consider experimenting with your toppings. Swap out cheddar for shredded mozzarella or a mix of cheeses for a different flavor. Add diced tomatoes or a spoonful of salsa for a fresh, zesty kick. If you're a fan of bold flavors, sprinkle a bit of smoked chili powder or drizzle with a sugar-free BBQ sauce. This dish is incredibly versatile. Serve it as an appetizer for game night, a light dinner option, or even as a satisfying snack. Want to make it a complete meal? Pair these bites with a side of mixed greens dressed in olive oil and lemon juice to boost fiber, and add more antioxidants to your plate. Loaded cauliflower bites are a guilt-free way to enjoy a classic American flavor profile without the carb-heavy ingredients. The best part? These bites are not only diabetes-friendly but also crowd-pleasing, making them perfect for family dinners or parties. Healthy eating doesn't have to mean boring. This recipe proves you can indulge in comfort food while keeping your health in check. Number 4. Classic Cobb Salad. A classic Cobb salad is the perfect blend of flavors and textures, making it a go-to option for anyone managing diabetes. Start with a bed of mixed greens. Romaine, spinach, or arugula work beautifully. These greens are low in carbs and high in fiber, making them an excellent base for stabilizing blood sugar. Top with grilled chicken breast for lean protein, which helps slow the absorption of glucose. Chicken is not only filling but also essential for maintaining energy levels throughout the day. Now let's add the classic Cobb toppings. Hard-boiled eggs provide additional protein and healthy fats, while diced avocado brings creaminess and a boost of heart-healthy monounsaturated fats. Avocados are particularly beneficial for diabetics as they help improve insulin sensitivity. Sprinkle on a handful of cherry tomatoes for a pop of sweetness and antioxidants, and add crumbled blue cheese sparingly to maintain the salad's signature flavor. For a crunchy element, use a small portion of roasted nuts or seeds instead of traditional bacon, which can be high in sodium and unhealthy fats. The dressing is just as important as the toppings. A simple olive oil and balsamic vinegar mix is a diabetes-friendly choice, as it avoids added sugars commonly found in store-bought dressings. Alternatively, try a homemade vinaigrette with lemon juice, Dijon mustard, and a touch of garlic for a tangy, flavorful option that complements the salad perfectly. This classic Cobb salad is not just a meal. It's a satisfying experience that proves healthy eating doesn't have to be boring. Whether it's for lunch, dinner, or meal prep, this dish is a powerhouse of nutrition and flavor. Customize it to your liking and enjoy a delicious, diabetes-friendly take on a timeless favorite. Number 5. Peanut Butter Chia Overnight Oats. Start your day off right with a hearty and nutritious peanut butter chia overnight oats. This simple yet satisfying breakfast is packed with ingredients that support steady blood sugar levels. Begin by combining half a cup of rolled oats with 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk in a jar or bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, which are rich in fiber and omega-3 fatty acids, known to slow down digestion and prevent blood sugar spikes. For natural sweetness, stir in half a teaspoon of vanilla extract and a dash of cinnamon, both of which have been shown to help regulate glucose levels. Let the mixture sit in the fridge overnight, allowing the oats and chia seeds to absorb the liquid and create a creamy pudding-like texture. In the morning, give it a good stir, and it's ready to top with your favorite diabetes-friendly additions. Fresh berries like blueberries, raspberries, or strawberries are excellent choices. They're naturally low in sugar and high in antioxidants. A spoonful of natural peanut butter adds a creamy, nutty flavor and provides healthy fats and protein to keep you satisfied. Want to mix it up? You can add a sprinkle of unsweetened coconut flakes, a handful of chopped nuts, or a few cacao nibs for extra crunch and flavor. If you prefer a warmer breakfast, simply heat the mixture on the stove for a couple of minutes before adding your toppings. Peanut Butter Chia Overnight Oats are not just quick and easy to prepare, but also a powerhouse of nutrition. Perfect for busy mornings, this dish will keep you energized and your blood sugar steady until your next meal. Healthy eating can be delicious, and this recipe proves it with every creamy, flavorful bite. And that's a wrap. 5 amazing meals that prove healthy eating doesn't have to be dull or difficult. These dishes are packed with bold flavors, simple to prepare, and perfect for managing blood sugar effectively. Whether you're craving a hearty dinner or a quick breakfast, there's something here for everyone. So which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more tips, recipes, and inspiration. Together, let's make healthy living delicious and enjoyable every day.